Hi, I'm Jamie Monchik, Education Consultant for the Wisconsin Valley Library Service. For this Digital Bite, I'm going to share tips and best practices for packing items for delivery. Heavier, larger books should always be placed on the bottom of the bin. DVDs, CDs, multimedia, and paperbacks should be packed on the top. Every effort should be made to place books with the spine in or toward the center of the bin. This helps to prevent books from opening and other materials sliding inside open books. All items should lay flat. Exceptions include media that can be placed vertically if the materials fit, or small paperback books and board books can be packed with the spine down. Green bags can be used to protect or separate media. If necessary, use packing or bubble wrap to keep items from shifting in bins that are not full. All items should have a routing slip, even items that are rubber banded going to the same library. Rubber bands can be used on like-sized items, but these items should not exceed 4 inches in height. This is a good example. This is not a good example. The items differ in size, and the height of these items exceeds 4 inches. Cash, checks, payments, and other personal items should not be placed in delivery. WVLS and WALTCO are not responsible if these items are lost or stolen. Always leave 1 to 2 inches of open space at the top so that bins can close properly. The bins should always close. Check the label on the outside of the bin to make sure it goes to the correct location. I hope you found those tips helpful. Remember that any questions, requests for more bins, or checking on delivery can be sent to courier@wvls.org, and a WVLS staff member will get back to you quickly.